How you doing, guys? Chris here. Well, it's that time of year again. Summer's almost upon us and the new drones are starting to debut. And the latest buzz across the internet is the Autel Mini. When is it gonna debut? It's not referred to as the Autel Evo Mini, but just the Autel Mini. But whatever the name, we're sure excited to see it. There was speculation, or we'll just say hope, that it would be released at the CES 2021. But since it was just a virtual event, maybe they were saving the debut for something with a little bit more gusto. The drones that were debuted at the CES 2021 were the Dragonfish and the RTK edition of the Evo 2. So what got us talking about the Autel Mini again? It was this reply from Autel Robotics referring to the Autel Mini as a product in development and that more details would follow as soon as they were available. With Autel's success with the Evo 2 series last year, this year the Mini could be their home run, while being the best sub 250 gram drone released in 2021. If done right, the Evo Mini could be released with smart controller compatibility, be equipped with interchangeable gimbals like the Evo 2 series, perhaps offer some class-leading integrated obstacle avoidance, and to work hand in hand with that obstacle avoidance, some state-of-the-art subject tracking. The possibilities are endless, and I'm hoping for the best. Stay tuned for more updates, I'm sure there's more to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.